So, good evening, student. Today we will discuss about number line. Number line is also very easy. First, you have to understand some concept of natural number, whole number, integers. So, these concepts we already know. What is natural number? Natural number, we know the number which starts from 1 and go on up to infinity. Okay, starts from 1 and it will go on up to infinity. Next is whole number. We know what is whole number. Whole number starts from 0 and again it will go on up to infinity. Okay, third concept is integer. We know what is integer. Integer is both sides, from starts 0, both sides it will go on up to infinity, whether it is positive side or it is negative side, it will go on up to infinity. Next concept is rational number. What is rational number? We know rational number will always be in p by q form. Okay, so rational number will always be in p by q form, but in this chapter we will understand the concept of number line with the help of rational number. So I make a number line and first I start from 0. Okay, and after that I take 1. Okay, with the distance of 1. So in between 0 to 1 I take equal 2 parts. Okay, I take equal 2 parts, and the middle parts, how much it will be? It will be 1 by 2. Why it is 1 by 2? Because from here 0 to 1 I take 2 parts. Okay, this part and this part, there are 2 parts. Then this position, what will be this position? This position will be 1 by 2, that means half. From 0 to this point it will be half, and from here to 1 it will be also half. Okay, similar way in negative side, if we take a distance of 0 to -1 and if we divide this distance into equal 2 parts, then this point will be the middle point. Okay, this point will be the middle point, and this point we can write -1 by 2. Okay, -1 by 2. Why we write -1 by 2? Because from 0 to -1, this distance we divide into 2 equal parts, this part and this part. Okay, so this point will be how much? This point will be 1 by 2. Okay, similarly from 0 to 1, if we take 3 equal parts, from 0 to 1, if we take 3 equal parts, then the first part we can write 1 by 3, second part we can write 2 by 3, and third part we can write 3 by 3, that means 1. Okay, so this, from this to this distance is equal to this to this distance, that means 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 is the equal distance. Again 2 by 3 to 3 by 3 is the equal distance. So this part is equal to this part, and this part is equal to this part. All are equal parts. So from 0 to this point we can write 1 by 3. From 0 to this point we can write 2 by 3. From 0 to this point we can write 3 by 3. Okay, that means it is 1. Next, I can take another number line, and this number line, and in this number line we take 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2 and 3. In between 0 to 1, again we divide 3 equal parts. 0 to 1 by 3, 0 to 2 by 3, 0 to 3 by 3. Why? Because this part is equal to this part equals to this part. That means from 0 to 1, distance of 0 to 1, we divide 3 equal parts. First part is 1 by 3, second part is 2 by 3, third part is 3 by 3, 3 by 3. After that, again from 1 to 2, we divide 3 equal parts. This distance we divide 3 equal parts. The first part is 4 by 3. We start from, it ends in 3 by 3. After that we starts 4 by 3, then 5 by 3, and then 6 by 3. Okay, then 6 by 3. So this part, and this part, these are the 3 equal parts. These are the 3 equal parts. First part is 4 by 3, 5 by 3, and then 6 by 3. That means 2. Next, from 2 to 3, we divide again 3 equal parts. 7 by 3, 8 by 3, and 9 by 3. Okay, 9 by 3 means 3. After that, again we write 10 by 3, 11 by 3, 12 by 3. Okay, like this. Now in 7, again I make another number line. Okay, and in this number line, from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, I want to make 8 equal parts. Okay, I want to make 8 equal parts. So 0 to 1, I make 8 equal parts. So 8 will be the denominator. You must remember, if we divide 3 equal parts, then denominator will be 3. If we divide 4 equal parts, then denominator will be 4. If we divide 5 equal parts, then the denominator will be 5. If we divide 6 equal parts, then the denominator will be 6. Similarly, from 0 to 1, this distance, if we divide 8 equal parts, first is this 1 by 8, next 2 by 8, next 3 by 8, then 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, oh sorry, it will be 7 by 8, and it will be 8 by 8. This part also we can write 0 by 8. Okay, so from 0 to 1, this distance, if we divide 8 equal parts, then we can write 0 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, and last 8 by 8. That means 1. Okay, again take another number line. Okay, this in this number line we take a negative side. Okay, similarly we start from 0, then -1, then -1, and then -2. Okay, so from 0 to -1, this distance we divide 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, just as it is a negative side, we take -1 by 4, then -2 by 4, then -3 by 4, then -4 by 4. That means -1. Why? Because it is a negative side. After that, again from -1 to -1 to -2, again if we divide this distance into 4 equal parts, then we can write -5 by 4, -6 by 4, -7 by 4, and then -8 by 4. Okay, Students, I am giving you a homework. You make a number line of 0 to 1 in 9 equal parts. Okay, you make a number line of 0 to 1 in 9 equal parts, and also negative side 1 by 10. These two number lines you make. Okay, these two number line you make and show me tomorrow. Okay, thank you. And sums I will do it in another video.